Samsung has announced a Galaxy Awesome Unpacked launch event on March 17th, during which it is widely expected to debut the Galaxy A52 and Galaxy A72 smartphones. The Galaxy A72 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, while the smaller A52 could have a 6.52-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. Both devices are expected to feature a 90Hz refresh rate and a Snapdragon 720G processor. They are also expected to have a quad rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary camera with support for 30x space zoom, and potentially a 32-megapixel front camera. The A72 reportedly features a 5000 mAh battery, while the A52 sports a smaller 4500 mAh battery. The phones are also rumored to feature stereo speakers with support for 3D surround sound Dolby Atmos experience. TCL has launched the P725 series of 4K LED TVs that run on Android TV 11. TC claims that these are the first TVs in India to support Android TV 11. Users will be able to use both the stock Android TV interface and TCL's custom Channel 3.0 launcher. The P725 series also includes support for Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos audio and comes with a built-in Chromecast. TCL has also included a front camera for video calls. The series is available in 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch and 65-inch sizes. Pricing begins at Rs 41,990 for the smallest size, while the 65-inch version will cost Rs 89,990. Although all sizes will eventually be launched, only the largest 65-inch TV will currently go on sale at Amazon.in. Sony has launched its Alpha 1 full-frame mirrorless camera in India. The camera boasts a 50.1 megapixel sensor and supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second or 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second. The camera features both an electronic and mechanical shutter, and its image processing engine enables it to continuously shoot at up to 165 full-frame images at 30 images per second with the electronic shutter. The QXGA viewfinder has a 240Hz refresh rate and does not black out when a picture is taken, allowing a seamless shooting experience. Sony also includes an AI-based real-time tracking autofocus. The battery in the Alpha 1 is rated for around 430 shots with the viewfinder and around 530 shots with the LCD display. The camera will be available to buy at the Sony website and physical stores and other major electronic stores from March 12th onwards, but will set you back a hefty 5,59,990 rupees. TCL has launched the Ocarina Smart AC series in India. The Wi-Fi-enabled AC can be controlled through the TCL Home mobile app. It also supports control through voice assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. The Ocarina Smart AC includes a UVC sterilization filter, which TCL claims can kill harmful bacteria. It also comes with a gentle breeze feature, which ensures quiet cooling without direct airflow. The ACs are offered in 1 ton, 1.5 ton and 2 ton variants. Pricing begins at Rs 33,990 for the 1 ton variant. The Ocarina Smart ACs will be available exclusively from the TCL website, and pre-orders begin on March 20th. Camera company Insta360 has launched the Go2 action camera in the US. The compact pill-shaped camera includes magnets which allow it to stick to most metal surfaces. It is capable of recording 1440p footage at either 50 fps or 24 fps with HDR. The Insta360 Go2 includes video stabilization features as well, along with IPX8 water resistance. Insta360 claims 30 minutes of battery life or 20 minutes in Pro mode, and the included charging case can replenish the battery 3 times over. The case can also act as a remote control or tripod for the camera. Insta360 will bundle in a magnetic pendant, a pivot stand, an easy clip, and a glass lens guard along with the camera. The camera costs around Rs 21,800 in the US, but no India availability or pricing details have been announced. Wearables maker Mobvoi has launched the TicWatch Pro S smartwatch. The watch features a dual display system with a 1.39-inch round AMOLED display at a 400x400 resolution that runs Google's Wear OS and a monochrome LCD screen that can display basic time and fitness data to save battery life. Mobvoi claims 2 to 5 days of battery life in the full featured mode or up to 30 days in the essential mode. The TicWatch Pro S is powered by the Snapdragon Wear SoC along with 1 GB of RAM and 4 GB of storage. It also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance. The watch includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS connectivity. The TicWatch Pro S is priced at around Rs 19,000 in the US, but no India launch plans have been announced yet. A US hacker collective claimed to have broken into over 150,000 security camera feeds, reaching companies like electric car maker Tesla and web hosting platform Cloudflare, and places like banks, hospitals, and even schools. Images captured from the hacked footage were posted on Twitter with the hashtag Operation Panopticon. The hacker group claimed to have breached the security of Silicon Valley's security firm Verkada, which operates the cameras at these locations. The collective reportedly found the login details of a super admin Verkada account which can access any cameras posted online. A Verkada spokesperson told AFP that all unauthorized access has been ended and that the company is investigating the scale and scope of the breach and has notified law enforcement.